Hello everybody and welcome back to Byw'n Iach Bro Dysynni. So there are a few changes, so remember, wear a mask and follow the signage. Okay, so as you walk in, there'll be hand sanitizer places all over the leisure centre, so remember to wash your hands, and as you come in, scan your card over here, like that, and then you can go to your session. Okay, so remember to keep to the one-way systems while in the centre. Okay, so all fitness classes are in the main hall, and just remember to keep social distance. So after finishing a fitness class, please exit through this door here. Okay, so remember to stay in your area while you're using the fitness room. So remember to clean your equipment after using. After finishing in the fitness room, please exit through this door here. Remember to leave your belongings on the chairs around the pool. And remember to social distance around the swimming pool. So remember to exit through this door here when leaving the pool. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon at Byw'n Iach Bro Dysynni.